Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to play stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask questions and suggest coin so we can add it today. Okay, let's now check our coin. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Hello El Negro. Hello Lodi. Hello Hiroshi. Hi Matthew. Sam. Hello. Melody. Hello. Sam. Mary. Hello. Myla. Hello, hello. Ariel. Plain, Mia, hello, Arviel, Angela, hello, hello, PJ, presents, hello, PJ, good to see you here. We are an educational platform. You can check our previous live stream, okay? So you can add it to your trading strategy. Hello, Ray. Are you a newbie in trading or already intermediate or already a day trader? Hello, Rio. Hello, Junie girl. Hello, Rio. Hello, hello. You can also watch our live in our Facebook, okay? Okay. So today is Saturday, so mostly people are busy on weekend. So I appreciate you. I appreciate you joining us with our live, okay? Highly appreciated, my friend. And I hope you click that like button right there and leave a comment. You can also join our raffle, okay? Our raffle will be 20 USDT, comment 20 USDT, so you'll be able to have an entry for tomorrow's raffle. Our raffle will be every Sunday, okay? Every Sunday. Okay. So basic technical analysis, you must learn. What's the basic? Let me explain a little about Relative Strength Index or RSI. Okay, so RSI is used as this way. Okay, this line, once it's above 70, then that is a sell position. You open short position. Once it's below the 30, that is a buy position. Okay? So that's how you use the RSI, because it always gravitates in the middle. It always go to the middle. Okay, let me show you other. So because whenever it's above 70, it's overbought. Okay, whenever it's below 30, it's oversold. So it will always go the opposite extreme. Okay. Hello, Ram. Hello, Chris Cruz. RA. Hello. Yes. Oh, let's look at some chart. This is the oversold RSI. This is the RSI below. So it is below 30. So because it's below 30, you can see it's oversold. And this is the candle. And as you can see, as you buy long position here, it went up. So the candle also went up. Okay? So that's basic, and you can easily apply this to your trading strategy. You can use this to all time frame. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, okay? But I only encourage 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, okay? For day trading, I don't encourage lower time frame than that. It is hard to predict. Okay, the 5 minutes is hard to predict. I don't look at 5 minutes, okay? Okay, so this one here is overbought. It is above the 70, which is it's top already. So meaning this is already the top and it went down. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so let's check some picture here. When the trend is down, RSI stays oversold. So if it is downtrend, it will stay below. Okay, so this is the exemption. If it is downtrend, it is going down, then you can see the RSI stays below. So you cannot open long position right away. You need to see the bottom first before you open long position. Okay, so that's RSI for you. The same with the uptrend. Once it's uptrend, it will stay above. Okay, so that's the exemption there. That's why you cannot always predict if it is already going down or going up. Okay. Okay. Here, let's look at the market. Overbought here in RSI 70, above 70. And this is the place right here. And then still went up. And then right here, oversold. This area right here and went up again. Okay. This one overbought again. Okay. So that is basic. Okay, so most of you knows this already. So for our new viewers and who are newbie also, I hope it would sink in. Okay, so you can really benefit from this one. Okay, another example, RSI 14-day. So it's oversold. This is oversold. Then it went up. And then this is overbought. Okay, then you open short position again. Okay, so that is RSI for you. Another one, overbought here. So this is above, oversold. So this is below. Okay, so you can, every time it's overbought, you can buy, you can sell, and then sell short. And then once it's below, you can buy long. Okay, long position. Okay, let's look at the market with this example. Okay, this is the RSI right now. Let me hide other charts. Let me hide Ichimoku and the VPVR. Okay, so this is the market in 4-hour time frame. Let's hide the entry. As you can see, overbought. Okay, overbought. So it's already top and it went down. Okay, and it touched oversold and it went up. Okay, so oversold and went up. Did not touch the overbought again. So still going down. So we are bullish now. This is updated RSI. Okay, so with updated RSI, you can see a yellow line and this is moving average. Okay, so with this, whenever it crosses above the moving average, that is bullish. Whenever it's below, that's bearish. Just like here, RSI crosses below the moving average, so that is bearish. It crosses above, then that is bullish. It crosses again below, then that's bearish. And right now it's crossing above, then that is bullish. Okay. Okay, so that's basic right there. Okay, here this healthy uptrend, it stayed in the top and then it crosses below, then it's bearish but not that bear, and then went here and here and then to the upside. Okay, so RSI is not that accurate, so you need to pair it with so many indicators also. Okay, hello Cliff, hello. Okay, because this indicator is not 100%. Okay, so at least it can help you also determine where the market is going. Okay, so that's RSI for you. Okay, so right now let's check some news. Okay, let's check some news. What do we have? News for Bitcoin, because the news affects our trading. Weekend watch, Bitcoin consolidates, continue, Ripple skyrocket 7%. Oh, pam Bitcoin XRP. So our XRP is pumping. Bitcoin consolidation. You see, whenever Bitcoin consolidates, altcoins pump. Okay, so right now altcoin is pumping 7% for XRP. DOT 3%. Okay, BNB 1.26%. Okay, that's good. Okay. Another news, now the G7 and EU impose fresh crypto sanction on Russia. Oh, they are now imposing sanction again to Russia. And this time they are attacking the crypto. Let's see. What will this do to our Russia? The Russians. How are they going to sanction also Russia? Today, several governments in the West announced their increased focus on preventing virtual assets from being used to circumvent the sanction imposed on Russia in the midst of its invasion of Ukraine. So, member nation from G7 is US, UK, France, Canada, Japan, Italy, and Germany, as well as the European Union. Why is the Philippines not member? Why is the Philippines not member with the G7? Japan is a Asian country. Maybe it's for the powerful only. Okay. Announced various new sanctions meant to collectively ramp up pressure on Putin and build on the unprecedented package of economic sanction export controls the United States and over 30 countries have already imposed on Russia. One of the primary new measures announced today was a doubling down on effort to minimize crypto potential as a means to evade sanction. Okay, so they don't want the Russian to escape the sanction by using crypto assets. The many participant nations wrote about their commitment to ensuring the sanction remain efficacious by reducing evasion and loopholes. The statement specifically highlighted the need to ensure that the Russian state and elites, proxies, and oligarchs cannot leverage digital assets as a means of evading or offsetting the impact. So many sanctions already with the Russia. I read a news or I saw some news this week or previous week about the Russia being sanctioned with the SWIFT bank, right? So it's the global bank that they can deal there with their finances, and Russia is banned there, sanctioned there, but they can still use the SWIFT bank whenever they are using it for oil and gas. Okay, oil, because Russia is still a distributor of oil to other countries. That's why they can still use SWIFT bank. So with this one, even though you ban Russia with the SWIFT bank, all their transaction, if they declare it for oil purpose, they can still they can still evade that sanction right there. They can still use the SWIFT bank. Okay, so there is still loophole there, because they can really say that this transaction is about oil, is about gas. So then the Russia can punch through again to that loophole. So right now, G7 and EU is trying to close the loophole in the crypto. Okay, we'll see if they are able to close the crypto. I don't think it will be able to close crypto. We'll see. Look at this one. This fellow Fedorov asking of major crypto exchange to block Russian users, expressing his view that it was crucial to sabotage ordinary Russian user. Major crypto exchange denied his request, only blocking users when required by law. So even the Prime Minister of Ukraine, they did not follow. The exchanges did not follow him to block the ordinary Russians. Okay? So this sanction here is for the elite, for the rich of the Russia. Okay, we'll see if this affects. You see, if you harm the financier of Putin are the rich, the elite. Okay, so if the world harms the elite, they cannot use their money, then this financier, this funder of the war, this financier of the war will begin to ask Putin to stop the war because we are being affected. We cannot do business anymore. Our accounts are being freezed. Okay? So that's really a wise strategy for the West. Sanctioning the rich, the elite, and the financier of Russia. Okay, so of course, every country has only at least 10%. The the wealth of a country is usually held by the 10% or the 20% of the population. And that is the elite. Okay, the rich and the elite. Whether it is capitalist country or a communist country, the same story. Okay? So even the communists, they are trying to say that they are communists and they are for equality. You cannot see equality also in communist country. Even in China, you see also rich and poor. So not really their ideology coming to pass. Okay? So here, our news is trying to sanction the Russia to harm the elite. Okay, let's see what is this about. I think this is bearish. This can be bearish for our market. Okay, bearish for the Bitcoin. This one here is bullish. Okay. Okay, this one, SEC rejects Bitcoin ETF from NYDIG and Global X. So this one is a bearish news also. So the ETF got rejected again, dated March 10, 2022. So purchase was filed in June 2021. The first rejection, the second rejection is August 2021. Always rejected. Okay, so now it's delayed and now it's rejected again. So this is bearish news, okay, for Bitcoin. Bitcoin exchange withdrawal suggests whales are accumulating. Okay, this is bullish news. Bitcoin whales go hard. Okay, with 1.3 billion being moved out of the exchange in the space of a single space. So 1.3 billion, imagine. Hello, Emmanuel. Yes, we will check Luna, okay? Imagine the whales pulling out their funds worth 1.3 billion and they are putting it in a they are putting it in their wallet, okay? So they are not trading, they are hodling. This means this will be a bullish because this will be traded only once we reach the distribution phase. So it means if you are wise enough, you will follow the whales because they know how to make money. You also start accumulating. Okay? So meaning this price right now is cheap. Okay? Okay. So we are on sale in Bitcoin. Okay, this one is Mexican. So this one is bullish news, okay? This news right here, Mexican drug cartel are increasingly using Bitcoin. It's a report, okay? Report. So now they are bringing out some FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, and saying that the Mexican drug cartel are increasingly using Bitcoin. Let me ask you a question. Before they use Bitcoin, what were they using to do money laundering? Okay, that's just an honest question. Before they use Bitcoin, Bitcoin just came 2008, 2009. So before Bitcoin came, what was this drug cartels using to launder money? I think you know already the answer. It's the bank, right? That's right. Okay, so right now they are pointing finger on Bitcoin that the drug cartels are increasingly using Bitcoin. Let me show a news to you. This one, HSBC. Okay, we have it even in the Philippines, okay, this kind of bank. HSBC fined 64 million euro for anti-money laundering filings. Imagine, HSBC has done money laundering. This is just December 17. So, I don't think them pointing finger on Bitcoin whenever there is money laundering. They say it's the Bitcoin doing that people can escape. I tell you, they do it in banks. And HSBC is known to its money laundering. Okay, it's just fine for 64 million and they made 3 billion. That's nothing. They can pay always 64 million. That's nothing because they make billions in money laundering. Okay? So that's what we see here. So this Mexican drug cartel, this can become bearish for Bitcoin. But this is just nothing compared to what the banks have done. Okay? Using the banks and get fined. This is BBC News, okay? So this is official news. Failing over a period of 8 years. Imagine, 64 million euro only. Pounds for 2010 to 2018. The regulator said there was inadequate monitoring of money laundering, terrorist financing scenario until 2014 and poor risk assessment of new scenario. Okay, so if you are not familiar with this one, then this is a 8-year business, 9-year business. Imagine, they are doing the business of money laundering for 9 years and they were just fined 64 million. So that's nothing for them. Okay, they still make money in return. So that's how that's how that happened. Okay, so here the drug kingpin turned to Bitcoin. Despite their various merits and numerous proponents, cryptocurrency have their opponent too. So actually, in Bitcoin, those who are used for illegal purposes is just like 5%. It's not even 95% of people who uses Bitcoin for illegal, okay? No, it's not for illegal. Just the 5%. Okay, so it is still, just like the real money, it is used also for illegal, so it is used also for legal. Okay, so everything can be used for good and bad. Depends for people who are using it. Okay? The gun, you can use the gun for good and you can use it also for evil. Okay? You can use it to protect and you can also use it to harm. So it's always double-edged sword, right? So same with the Bitcoin. It can also be used with illegal activities. Okay? So our I don't understand. Why are we offline? But we are already online. Okay. Okay. Anyway, 24 hours, wreck 119 million. I hope you are not part of those who got wrecked, okay? Okay, and those who got wrecked are in short position. 24 hours, most are long position. 4 hours long position. So this is now open to the upside. And whenever there is wreck to the upside, it's going to the upside already. Hello, Melissa. Hello, Mr. Ken. Kene. Or Ken. Or Kin. Okay. So that's our Bitcoin news for today. Okay. So I gave you signals this afternoon. If you notice, I gave you a bullish signal. And this is our signal. Okay, this is our long position. Our entry was 39,000. Risky. Okay, if you entered, we are already in 39,200. 39,200. So you are in profit already. If you followed my signal, then you are already in profit. Okay, so for Bitcoin, of course, Bitcoin is in consolidation, but it is still moving. Okay, so for those who have entered the trade, all good. Okay, hello John Zamudio, good to see you. We miss you here. Hello John Anyora, Randy Vera, hello. Okay, so if you are not yet part with our Telegram community, make sure to join. Okay, we are already 81 members. Quiet, fast movement right there. So people are learning trading here from the tools that we are teaching. We always have every Tuesday and Thursday Zoom class. Okay, with this Zoom class, people learn on their own how to trade. Okay, so let me show you some testimonials. I think they are testifying here. It's not some miracle. Okay. Okay. So can't find. Let me check. Those who made money. Okay, they already know how to read the market. That's excellent, right? I like it when they do it. Okay, when they do it on their own. Yes, all good. Scalp. Okay, so people are making money with our signal. So that's awesome, okay? Thank you po sa signal. Sarap ng gising, okay? So people are making money with our signal and they are also learning. Okay, so basically, if you want to be part of this community, oh, you've been busy with work. Okay, I see. We miss you here, okay? Your presence is always appreciated, okay? Okay, Randy Vera, hello. Good, working hard, boss. That's good that you are all working hard. You see, I hardly work and you are hardworking. That's usually my job there. Okay. Okay. So, basically, what we are seeing is, this is the community. Scan that QR code in the left side and then join our Telegram community, okay? For if you scan it, you will be redirected here and people will welcome you here. We have 1,280 members here and we give some forecasts here. And from the forecast, and if you want to join a specific signal, we give out some 4-hour time frame, weekly time frame, 1-day time frame. We give out some news, okay? Forecast for the day, what the direction. And if you want specific, then you can message. You can message our community leader here. The community is Welcome Trade Scholar and KZ1986. Okay, you can message these two so they can guide you to be part of our practical group. Okay, so from practical group, this is just the instruction for you. You open ULIAN account. This is still free, okay? You just need to put your balance in ULIAN. Okay, so you will be trading in ULIAN, okay? So that's how this works here. So you have daily signal. You can test it with $100 and we can grow it up to 500 and then from 500 we can grow it again. Okay, so that's how you grow your capital. You get 2 signals daily and you have beginner scores and you can learn TA and until you can be independent on your own, okay? That's how we do our technical analysis, okay? You need to trade and then after that we grow greater than 500, you will be part of our exclusive group community, okay? And so from here you get more than 2 signals and you have one-on-one review meeting and exclusive signals, okay? Daily signals, advanced courses, live technical analysis, and I hope you can grow your capital, okay, with our community. That's our desire. That's why you always put stop loss. Okay, whenever we give signal, you do not enter trade without knowing what is your stop loss. Before you place a position, you need a stop loss right away. Okay, you need to know what's the risk. How much are you risking for every trade? For example, this one 39,000, the risk is 79%. Okay, so you can lose. So you need to use 2 to 3% only. Your leverage is 60. Okay, so you know first your risk. This one, the safe entry 38,400. Okay, so this will be a little risk. Okay, but you can use 100x here in 38,400, but hasn't been touched also. So this one is on the run already and is making profit, okay? So what I'm trying to say is we win some, we lose some, but our desire is when you lose, you don't lose everything. So you put always stop loss, okay? You don't let the market hit the liquidation for you, okay? Unless you are afraid to lose, unless you are brave enough to lose, that's when you start losing. But if you are afraid to lose, then you always get liquidated because you will not allow the stop loss to be hit and you will always rescue. Okay, the purpose of stop loss is to tell you that our prediction is wrong, so it needs to stop. Our direction is wrong, so it needs to stop. That's the purpose of stop loss. Okay, so if you keep on fighting on, even though it's already defeated battle, okay? In Tagalog, bakit mo pa siya ipaglalaban? kung ikaw na lang ang lumalaban, okay? So why are you still fighting for that relationship if you are the only one fighting for it? Okay, that's hugot, right? Hugot. Okay, so anyway, what I'm trying to say, you use stop loss because enough is enough. You need to move on and find another trade. Okay, so that's why we can lose our trade because there is no trader 100%. There is no trader that can win 100%. There is always risk. But what we do is we control our risk that we will not lose everything. So we can continue trading. Okay? Even if you lose 5 trades straight, but you're only losing 1 to 5% for your portfolio, you are still good in trading. And then from there, what you do is you grow your capital. One win trade, then you make so much. You recover all your 5 losses. Okay? But if you don't know how to use stop loss and you don't do risk management, you win 10 trades. You lose 1 and it wipes your account. Okay? And then you wait for the next payday. I need my payday now because I cannot trade without my salary. Okay. So that's not good trading. You are asking for your salary to do for your trading, okay? You don't ask. You give from your you don't always use your salary for trading. You make money in the market, okay? So I hopefully you will learn it. I know you are still in the process and I also learned the hard way. I also lose money, okay? I even treat $2,000 as tuition fee. Okay, that's how you do trading. You always lose money. And from there, I became a profitable day trader, okay? Okay. Just don't give up. Okay, now let's check our coin, our market. So this is our market right now. Let me hide again the text. Let me check the weekly time frame. Our weekly time frame, we still have 1 day and 14 hours. Suggest coin, okay? We still have 1 day and 14 hours. And we still need to cover this one. This long wick right here. We need to cover this. So that means our green volume can hit up to here. And then go down again. Okay, so that's a possibility right there. We need to fill this empty candle here. Okay? No. You're just on time. I just did some fundamental analysis and some basic technical analysis, okay? Okay, so what do we have here? So this is weekly time frame. And from our weekly time frame, oops. Let me remove the fib retracement for now. Our awesome oscillator is still bearish, okay? We just hope we print green volume. After 1 day and 14 hours, we print green volume. So that would be bullish again for us, okay? Okay. So weekly time frame, we are about to cross our moving average to turn to bullish side. Always remember our weekly time frame. The last time we crossed our bullish side is right here. This is November 15. We crossed to bearish. Okay? And November 15 up to right now. March 7. So we are hoping for March 14, the next RSI and moving average, we will be able to cross to the upside, okay? So that means it would be bullish again for us, okay? So that's what we are looking at. Hello, Ding Dong. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream so you can add it to your trading strategy, okay? And also we give out signals here for free. Okay. Okay. So from here, Jomsmong, hello. Okay, so from here, weekly time frame, we are still bullish, okay? We are holding on and we still don't give up because we are still forming a higher low. Oops, sorry. This one. Primary low, higher low, and then this one is printing higher low. If this close here, haven't have some long wick to the downside, then it can still continue to the upside. Okay, daily time frame, there is some bullish for our daily time frame. Okay. Daily time frame, Okay, this is daily time frame here. Do you see what I'm drawing here? I just noticed this morning. I realized it's forming a support area. Okay, I saw it's forming a support area. So I noticed it's a support. So I draw a trend line. And then I draw trend line also here. So in daily time frame, we are looking at a ascending triangle. Okay, so ascending triangle is the breakout will always be to the upside. So that would be a goosebumps of pump. Okay, so that's our expectation, and the price target is a whooping $55,000. Okay, so that's our price target. So we hope we break out soon, and if you are able to ride here, wow, you gonna have some 2,000% profit. Let me check from the ruler. You ride from the bottom and then you sell to the top. This is 42.98%. And then if you are entering with our current entry, 42.98, you times it with, say, 60x. Wow, you are in 2,578 profit. Okay, so this is also awesome. Okay, so if you open this kind of trade, then you can make for as much as 2,578%. Okay, so if you're $100, you can just multiply it to 2,578. You're gonna be filthy rich with there. Okay, not that much, but it's okay. Okay, so but if not, then we can hit a stop loss below and then let's trade again. Okay, but we are forming a ascending triangle here. Okay, so this is daily time frame. Okay, let me delete. Okay, 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. So this is our 4-hour time frame. We are trying to break this resistance. If we don't break this, we get rejection again to the downside. But if we break this resistance, this green line here, then we can continue to the upside. Okay, so we are hoping to break it because we are in 4-hour time frame. We are actually forming a double bottom. Okay, this is the bottom right here. First bottom, second bottom. This is the breakout area. So once we break this, then we can continue to the upside. You can see it more clearly in 1-hour time frame. Okay, here, bottom. Okay, this is our double bottom here. Okay, and some resistance here. Once we break, support, and then pump. This is just the price target here. So you can take profit at 40,000 or 42,000. Okay, so we still see a massive pump here. So from 39 to 40, that's another 1,000 pump. We'll see if it holds. Okay. Okay. So right now, hello. Shout out to John Ezekiel. Okay, so John Ezekiel is constantly watching our live, but he's watching it in Smart TV. Okay, so we appreciate you. So he can't comment really, but you're welcome, and I hope you learn trading. Okay, because once you learn this, you will be filthy rich. Okay, you can buy Philippines. Okay. I know this boy right here, if he becomes he's really wants to be rich, so this is the way. Okay, for Ezekiel. Okay, so shout out to you for watching. Okay, so for 1 hour, our 1-hour time frame. So this is actually, we are forming now a bullish scenario here. So like this one and a continuation in 1-hour time frame. Okay, so almost we are about to break out to the upside. Okay, so I was just talking and it's about to break, but as you see, it's weekend, so I don't know if we can find some massive pump, but it's okay. Whatever happens, we will make money. Okay. Okay, so let's now see how to trade this one. I think our trade is still in play, okay? But if I'll be giving short position, I might give out some short here. If it doesn't really break out, if it always gets rejection, then we need some short entry. Okay, oh, interestingly, it's perfectly in the 0.5. It's in the 0.5 resistance area. We are exactly at 0.5. So with this at hand, we can expect some massive resistance here. Let me pull out the VPVR. It's raining outside, right? Oh, we are making this a support. So this is awesome. In 1 hour time frame, we have a support right here. So it's hard to break this support right here, okay? So with this support, we have this support. So we can pump to the upside, okay? Okay. So now for our time frame, the same story. The support is right up to right here. Oh, it has been breaking. It's breaking now the resistance. I think the rain pumped the candle. Pam param pam pam. Okay, that's our favorite song, right? Pam param pam pam. What's it pumping? So if this breaks and turns to support, then that's bullish. Okay. So we might see and reach this price target right here. Okay, okay. So this is Bitcoin for you. Hello to our 18 viewers. Hello, Cassandra. Thank you for joining us. I hope you learn TA, okay? So you make money in the market. So what do we do next? Okay, so I'll be giving the specific signal in our practical group, okay? So if you are not yet in the practical group, scan the QR code so you'll be part of our practical group and you start making money. Money, 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 okay? Okay, start making money. Join our practical and start making money right there. Okay, okay. So, what do we have next? The next one is, let's check the other coin. We have a suggested coin here. Let's check first the suggested coin. Luna. The first suggested coin is Luna. Let me check in the top if there is other suggested coin. Okay. Luna. Okay, let's check Luna. After Luna is AVAX. Oh, Luna. Luna is bearish. Luna is bearish. Look at the awesome oscillator. It's lower high. This is double top. That is dangerous for the bulls. Okay, double top is bearish. So the breakout area is right here. Okay. Let me close it in the body. The price target to the to the downside is up to here. Okay, we haven't touched the bottom yet. This is the price target for the bear. Okay, seems like we found support here. Okay, this has become a support area because it's a strong support area right here. Okay, we found support in this area. It's a multi-time frame support. We call that a multi-time frame support. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So what do we have here? Let's pull out some fib lines. So we find some support and resistance. Okay, we are trying to break the 0.5 also. So if we break this 0.5, then we can continue to the upside, okay? That's possibility right there. And that upside I'm talking is just here. Nothing big, okay? Not much. Because as you can see, we have a strong resistance here. Okay, the resistance area is right here. Okay, that's good. Okay. That's our resistance area right there. So this is for our Luna. Okay. So if I see that this is a good one to give signal, then I will give signal based on this Luna. Okay. But if I don't see, I think it's a good signal for short. Let me check. It's not yet. Not yet. No, not yet. Negative volume here for awesome. Okay. Okay. Ichimoku. What are you doing in Ichimoku? You are above Ichimoku. Okay. In RSVVB. Okay. We are still in the middle. Okay. We're trying to pump. Okay. EMA ribbon. Bullish. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's check other coin. AVAX. AVAX is the next suggested coin. Oops. Let me check AVAX. Oh, our AVAX find support here. Okay, so our long entry was 70. 70.96 here. So we are close again to our entry. So I don't remember when did we give this out, but AVAX is still bearish, okay? We are still below our RSI, our Ichimoku, we are also below, EMA ribbon also below, RSVVB, okay? Okay, 200 moving average, all are below. So we are fairly very bearish right now. But we are finding support here. If you can enter again here, then it can for us to pump in this area 89, we need to touch this area. Okay, so we need to touch this area. This is 64, 65, or if we touch this area, we can pump up to here, but we need to have the zone, the institutional zone. Okay, when we say institutional zone, where the institutional money is waiting, so we can add a volatility. Okay. Okay. So we might be needing this area here. The volume here is huge. Okay, we might need to touch this area again, so we can pump again to the upside. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. So we can plot the support area right here. We need to touch this area again, so we can pump from here. Okay, and pump higher up to here, up to this area. So once we touch here, we can gather strength to the upside again. Okay. Okay, so we can get the money of the institutions to enter the trade to the long position. Okay. 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 So this is AVAX. Okay. Let me pull out some bigger fib line here. Okay, what do we have here? 98. Our bigger fib line is also waiting here. 0.618 is a bouncing area for 70. I think it's also a good long position in 70. The next one is 62. Kinda far, right? Okay. Okay, that's AVAX for you. Okay. Okay. So from here, let's see if I will be giving signal from this one, okay? I will be just sending the signal in our Telegram community. Okay, let's check other coin. Our Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum, then XRP. Ethereum. What's happening to our Ethereum, my friend? So Ethereum is continually tracking its path, right? We are in the resistance support. Forming this one. Okay. So this one is a symmetrical triangle, so we cannot really predict if it's going to break to the upside or to the downside. But this one would most likely break to the upside. Knowing the market right now, it's more probable for the upside unless there is a war, okay, against the NATO, then that would be really bearish news. So this one can help Ethereum go back to 3.9. Okay, you can open long position here. Let's pull out some fib line. The smaller fib line right here. Oh, we are in 0.618. Once we break the 0.618, that's a good support area, so we can continue to the upside. Okay, our awesome oscillator is bearish. We might print another green volume here and change to the upside. Okay, hello Hiroshi. Okay, so this is our Ethereum. Okay, let me pull out some bigger fib line from bottom to top. So right here. Oh, the 618 and the bigger 618 is also here. So that means this can be either a resistance or a bouncing area. Once we break this, then you can see the support, right? Once we break this area right here, we can expect more to the upside. Okay, we can expect more to the upside. So we need to break this. If we get rejection, then we will end here in 2491. Okay. So once we break that, then we can continue to the upside. That's bullish right there. Okay. So that's Ethereum for you. Let me check the last one, XRP. Okay, so this is our XRP. Oh, we pump. Pump. This one, too huge volume here. So it's already in the pumping zone because we break this area. Told you, once we break this area, we're gonna pump hard because not much volume. Okay, see, it even touch up to here because there is not much volume. We just got rejected in this area here. Okay, we got rejected in this area right here. So we need to break this area so we can create all-time high again. Okay, XRP super bullish right now. Oops. So let me pull out some fib lines so where we can find the support area. If this is bigger fib line, okay, from swing low to swing high. So we are actually in the 0.236. We are about to bounce. We have bounce here. Okay. The resistance turned support. Okay, so this means it has become a support area. Okay, touching it and then bouncing again to the upside. That's good news, right? The last bouncing area is right here. Okay, so imagine our 0.5 is the pivot area, our bouncing area. Hello, Ben. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for catching up. Okay. So we'll see if I'll be giving a long position for this one. Okay. For XRP. 1 hour time frame. You see it's bouncing already here. Let me draw a smaller fib line here. From swing low to swing high. From here, you see that it bounced. It crossed the 0.5. And it bounced in almost 618, a weak trend, okay? But still it bounces, it's already above here, so that's also a good thing. So we can continue to the uptrend and we can put some price target here. Swing low, swing high, bottom. Price target. If you need price target, you can take profit here. Okay, TP1, TP2, TP3. Golden ratio. Okay, that's our price target right there. Hello, Angelo, Carmelo. Thank you for joining us from Facebook. Okay. So I think this is all for today for our TA. Okay, thank you for joining us. And now we'll be entering the raffle. Okay, so tomorrow will be our raffle. Who's the lucky one? We only have 143 entries. That's little. Last raffle we have 200 entries. Okay, don't forget to comment 20 USDT. Sorry about that. Okay, let me check some comments of 20 USDT here. If you are still here, you can comment present. Okay. Rio Ichiban. Juni girl. Dodi. Miranda. R.A. Cliff. May Balestero. Melissa. Zane Sobre. Ken. Mr. Ken. Randy Vera. John Zamudio. John Anyora. Sarah Ingrid More entries, more chances of winning. Okay, every day is a new day for entry. Jeramil San Jose. So make sure every day you have entry. So you perfect your attendance, you can have more chances of winning. John Kenneth Velasco. Ding dong. Joms Mong. Hiroshi. Ben Amaro. Angelo Carmelo, don't you want to join our raffle? You can comment 20 USDT also, okay? It's free for all. You can join. Please cruise. Okay, Melissa got... Okay. Make you chill. Hello, make you chill. We are an educational platform, okay? So check our previous live stream so you can add it to your trading strategy. Thank you for joining us today. Highly appreciated, okay? JP Aquino, you can just watch our review. Hello, good to see you here, okay? All good, all good. Thank you everyone for joining our live for today. Hoping to see you again tomorrow 6 to 7 p.m. Make sure you are live because once we call your name and you cannot reply within 20 seconds, then the prize will go to other people. Okay? So all the best, all the best. Cheers. Let's make some money. Stay safe. Trade safer. Bye-bye.